Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we prepared sea cucumber, big scallops, plus persimmon, dried persimmon. So let's start to eat guys. Sauce is wasabi and soy sauce. So let's start to eat guys. This is first time I eat fresh sea cucumber guys. This is sea cucumber. They already... Mmm! Mmm! Actually, this is not fresh already, guys. But still, wow, this is the meat, guys. Wow. See, guys, wasabi and soy sauce. Mmm. Wasabi, guys. Wow. See? Sea cucumber. This is not fresh, guys. This is already dried one. Dried sea cucumbers. Mmm. Mmm. Really love it. My God. Melted inside my mouth, guys. This is scallops. Guys, this is scallops. Huge scallops, guys. This scallops. Mmm. Wow. Smell ocean. Mmm. Wasabi, guys. Wow. Wow. I love it. Sea cucumber. Mmm. No taste at all, guys. Sea cucumber is no taste at all, guys. But when you chew it, melt it in your mouth. Mmm. Crunchy little bit. Mmm. Yum yum. Mmm. I forget. I put a, I put mini the wasabi. Mmm. Yummy. It's really yummy, guys. Guys, did you try to eat this one? Mmm. Mm. Crunchy, bouncy, bouncy. Wow. Mmm. Wow. I love it. Did you guys eat this dried persimmon? This is dried persimmon, guys. Mmm. Very sweet. It's sweet. Mmm. Mmm. Grabe. Sweet. You know that sweet potato taste? Yeah. It's like that. Mm. Ayun. Big bite. Big bite. Mm. Grabe. Mm. Mm. Grabe ito. Try to eat the dried. Oh, this is two pieces only, guys. I think just now we think that this one is a fresh one, but not fresh one. Instead of packed one. Mm. But actually, that is no fresh one already. But still, smell those one, guys. Mm. Crunchy. Wow. Mm. I love it. This is huge, man. Scallops is huge one. Mm. I love it. Shandy, guys. Shandy. I love it. Yummy. Oh, mommy. Wow. Mm. Mm. Wasabi. Soy sauce with wasabi, guys. Oh, oh, mommy. I love it. But there's no. I'll put a bit more wasabi. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See? It's a big one, guys. Mmm. Wasabi, guys. Did you guys eat this one? Mm. Persimmon, guys. Dried persimmon. Mm. Sweet one. I love it. Oh, wow. I love it. Actually, the food is very delicious. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully, you enjoy watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.